Hey guys, in the end of the video we are going to make something like this, okay, with text and text documents. See, you can take a look at this. How cool is this text? So come, let's do it in Photoshop. So I'll just close the document. Now you need to uh, download a font, ballpark. Okay, just download it, click download, and there will be a zip file. Just open the file and install the font. Okay, just now you need to click on file new or just click on create new. You need to click on create new document. That will open up a document. Now go to photo and default Photoshop size. This is enough. Just click on create. Orientation is landscape 7 by 5. Okay, you can change it to pixels if you want. Okay, just click on create. Now just press Ctrl 0 so that the file gets resized. I've already told this to you. Just unlock the layer and I'll name it as background. Wait, double click. Okay, wait, so you can even rename it. Wait, BACKGR background. Yep. Now hover above the text tool right here, or just press T so that the text tool get enabled. Now search for ballpark, or even you can download fonts from Adobe Typekit. Wait, let me check that. Yep, this is called, yeah, Adobe fonts, whatever you feel like. Why is this taking forever to load? Yeah, you can download that font. You try it with whichever font you like. So, see, with your license you can download fonts. Mine is a trial version of Photoshop, so I'll download from Da font, which is completely free. See, 100% free. Yeah, but I think if you want to use it commercially, you need to download, you need to pay. Okay, apart from that, just change this solid color. Go to this just click here and click on solid color and change it to black and click OK. So the color code is 00000. I think it's 6 zeros. Now it's changed to what? Black color. Just click here and let me type something. LET. Let's, yep, click on OK and let's have, yeah, let's have FU. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, just click here and open up the transform tool, or you can go to edit transform scale. Okay, just resize it. Yeah, this, I think this is good. Yeah, this is good. Just press Ctrl T and resize it. Yeah, this is good. Now even you can group them however you want. Just you need to just click on group. These are called groups. If to ungroup it, just press Ctrl Z to get back. Okay, now apart from that, let me group this 3. Just click on group and I think they are grouped. Wait, let me merge the layer. Okay, Ctrl E to merge. Wait, let me pull this a bit this side. Yeah, this is good, I think so. Yep, this is good. Now you need to add stroke for this. Just click on stroke and add this color right here, 0A001B. okay, just click OK and make the position outside, and blend mode is normal and the opacity is 16. Sorry if there is any background noise, and just click OK. And here is the stroke. You can take a look at it here. See, stroke. Okay, So just you need to copy this into 3 different files. Just click on group and press Ctrl J to copy it. Now go to double click stroke here and change the fill color. You can give it something like blue color or something like that. Let me give it blue. Blue is good. Yeah, blue is good. Make the size as 16 and click OK. Now press the right arrow in your keyboard. See that, press the right arrow mark key, not up. Okay, just press right. This is good. Just click and yep. Okay, this is good. Now you can add stroke. You can add inner shadow or outer glow, whatever you feel like. See, you can add let me add inner shadow for this. Wait, let me do that. Well, yeah, you can even add a drop shadow, and even you can add a stroke. So let me add a stroke for this. Just double click it and I'll select stroke as white. The color code is 6 Fs. Just click OK and I'll reduce the size. Wait, this is not choose color. Wait, why is the wait, let me try to do it again. It's too bulgy. So yeah, to add stroke you need to group merge all the 3 groups. So hold control and select all these 3, or shift to select all at once, or control to select all the 3 separately, and just right click and click on merge layers. So not merge layers, and group it again. So it should look something like this right here. So this thing is merged. So I think you can add let me try to add a stroke outside it. Yeah, see, you can add a stroke. Now go to color picker and pick up white, and I'll assign this. Wait, yeah, this is good. Let me enable it. Now we will need to add gradient for this. See how simple is this. Now just hover above here and click on gradient. Oops, not this one. You need wait, gradient overlay. Yeah, right, this one. Yeah, this one. And you can even increase or decrease the opacity of this thing. Wait, so just open up gradient overlay and play with it. Wait, let me change this to color normal. Multiply is good though. Yeah, multiply is good. Normal, let me leave it to normal, and let me change this to orange, something like. Wait, this is good. Okay, now change this to multiply. See, take a look at it, how good is this. Just click OK, and I think the video is pretty long. Now you can add a drop shadow or something like that. Wait, you can add a drop shadow, inner glow, or drop shadow or outer glow, whatever you feel like adding. Sorry if there is any disturbance. Wait, you can select white shadow. See that. I think the spread is too much, but I don't like to add it. It doesn't make it better. So you can hover above your this thing rectangle tool, or press U. It is right here in this toolbar. Just hold so that this menu will open up, and select your polygon tool. Now for this, in the top panel there are sides, right? Set number of sides. You can just change the number of sides to 4, so we can get something like this. Yeah, this is good. Just press V and drag this right here. You can add circles, you can add whatever shape you feel like. You can add stars, just change this size to 5 and just click enter. You can add stars like this. See? Yeah, this is good. Just you can add circles like this. Let me zoom in by pressing Alt. Yeah, this is good. Just press V. You can even duplicate it by holding Alt and dragging it this side. See? Yeah, I'll hold Alt and duplicate it. Click enter. Yeah, you can make so many things like this with Photoshop. Many. Let me add more stars with 4 sides. Yeah, okay, this is good. See, awesome, right? Wait, let me duplicate this. Control T to resize it, Alt to copy it, again press Control T to resize it, and to move you can use your move tool. Yeah, this is what I was trying to teach you. You can even add a circle around it. So just go do it in Photoshop. Right here you can group everything like it. You can group, you can even rename the group. Hold shift and select all this and click on this group icon. See, I'll call it as shapes. Click enter. Yeah, this is easy to do. So just start doing it. Wait, let me add one more shape, last shape. Yeah, so open up your Photoshop and you can even upload it in the discussion section in Skillshare. Just upload it. Let me see what you have done. Thank you for watching it.